STEPN, GMT, is today one of the most well-known Web3 and metaverse projects on the lookout. As information assembled from the task site, STEPN is a Web3 way of life application with social components and gamification components. The STEPN users can make attractive income by strolling, running, or running outside. Green Metaverse Token, GMT, is the administration badge of the STEPN environment that have a restricted inventory of 6 billion tokens. The genuine use instances of the STEPN project make GMT Coin a promising task in the long haul. As one of the developing Web3 and metaverse projects, STEPN is dealing with numerous drives. As we found through CoinMarketCap, by its restricted symbolic stockpile and reaction from the financial backers, GMT Coin areas of strength for looks. Since its starting date, GMT Coin has shown broad development in the crypto market. STEPN Coin has given an incredible revisitation of its underlying financial backers in 2022. The STEPN costs revitalized to a record-breaking high, of $2.18 in March 2022. With its restricted symbolic inventory and local area support, the fate of STEPN is splendid. According to our examination, the costs of GMT Coin will keep on filling in the following 10 years, outperforming the $75 mark before this decade's over. As all cryptos are showing slow development in 2022, STEPN Coin's presentation looks bullish. There are solid prospects that the following GMT bull run can make another level in 2022. GMT Coin Price Prediction 2022. In 2022, the development of crypto resources can be slow. According to our GMT Coin cost forecast, the greatest exchanging worth of GMT Coin can be around $9.78 in 2022. Assuming that the market goes according to our assumptions, the typical cost of STEPN can be around $7.55, and the base value level can go up to $4.38 for 2022. According to our cost investigation, GMT Coin's cost might cross $10, assuming the market sees a decent bull run in 2022. Likewise read. Gmt Coin Price Prediction STEPN Price Prediction 2023 STEPN Coin has extraordinary potential, assuming you have a drawn-out vision. According to our STEPN Coin cost expectation, STEPN Coin can arrive at a most extreme value level of $21.67 by 2023. Assuming there is a bull rally in 2023, the costs of STEPN Coin might flood more than our STEPN Coin cost conjecture. Nonetheless, the normal cost of STEPN Coin can be around $15.26. Furthermore, in the event that there is any negative pattern, the base cost of the STEPN Coin token can be down up to $12.84. GMT Coin Price Prediction 2025, according to our GMT cost forecast, it can hit another level this year. By 2025, we might expect a typical cost of $39.85, relying upon the market pattern. Our greatest cost forecast for STEPN Coin is $42.13 in 2025. While the base value level can be around $35.71. Assuming the market gets bullish, the STEPN might flood more than our GMT Coin cost figure in 2025. GMT Coin Price Prediction 2030, there are signs that the crypto market is going to enter another age in 2030. Genuine venture-based cryptos like GMT Coin can surpass the market. The year 2030 can end with a typical cost of $72.35, while the base value worth of STEPN Coin can be around $64.98. Alongside STEPN Coin, numerous cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The greatest cost is supposed to exchange around $81.26. Assuming there is any bull rally in 2030, the costs of STEPN Coin might soar and outperform our cost estimate. Additionally, read. Shiba Inu Coin Price Prediction STEPN GMT Coin Price Prediction 2040, according to our Green Metaverse Token cost conjecture, the GMT Coin costs can hit another level this year. By 2040, we might expect a typical cost of $367.23 relying available pattern. Our greatest cost expectation for GMT Coin is $379.45 in 2040. In the event that the market gets bullish, the STEPN Coin might flood more than our STEPN Coin cost conjecture in 2040. While the base value level can be around $345.12, assuming the market gets negative. GMT Coin Price Prediction 2050. GMT Coin has extraordinary potential on the off chance that you will hold it as long as possible. The year 2050 can end with a typical cost of $753.62, while the base value worth of STEPN can be around $723.24. After such a long excursion, alongside STEPN coin, numerous cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The greatest cost is supposed to exchange around $765.50. Despite the fact that the STEPN costs appear to be bullish, GMT coin and other cryptos are unstable and can alter their cost course whenever. Assuming that you are a brilliant financial backer and like to make dangerous ventures, STEPN can be an incredible decision. Cryptos are today the most gainful resources as well as the least secure too. In this way, prior to pursuing any speculation choice, do your legitimate gamble the executives. Additionally, read. Mana coin price prediction. Will GMT coin reach $10? As the GMT coin siphoned enormously in 2022, numerous crypto merchants are interested to know, regardless of whether the STEPN can hit $10. According to our drawn-out STEPN cost expectation, it can effectively reach $10 in 2023. STEPN coin is an extraordinary advanced resource with a genuine use case. What's more, in the crypto market, the sky is the limit. As we have found in the beyond, an incredible bull run or bear rally can whip all the cost expectations in a flash. Assuming more financial backers are drawn to the STEPN project, the cost of STEPN can skyrocket and it might hit its $10 focus before our GMT coin forecast. A few new postings on premium trades may likewise expand the worth of STEPN coin. Is GMT coin a siphon and dump? GMT coin frequently siphons and a similar dump, yet it's typical in the crypto market. Because of outrageous unpredictable way of behaving, numerous dealers use to find out if STEPN is as long as possible or simply a siphon and dump. As we broke down the past execution of STEPN, it is a promising undertaking. STEPN has the help of the WEB3 people group, which makes GMT coin a strong venture. As we have seen on the numerous crypto gatherings, STEPN coin is on the lookout as long as possible. Because of the work of the STEPN coin people group, STEPN coin can be steady in impending years. In any case, we want to stand by a few additional months to definitively foresee the fate of STEPN coin more. How to put resources into GMT coin. As an arising WEB3 and metaverse coin, you shouldn't confront trouble to track down STEPN coin. There are numerous crypto exchanging stages that have been as of late recorded STEPN coin for public exchanging. Assuming you wish to purchase STEPN coin, the top crypto trades are right now Binance, KuCoin, Huobi, Bitmart, Hotbit, LBANK, PancakeSwap, CoinEx, and Bitrue. By joining on such stages you can without much of a stretch add STEPN coin to your crypto portfolio. Aside from STEPN GMT coin price prediction, we might want to propose our perusers lead the most extreme conceivable examination prior to making any speculation. STEPN coin major areas of strength for looks its restricted symbolic stockpile and local area support. However, cryptos are a very unstable resource. Cryptos change their costs like an exciting ride, and they can rise or fall in a moment or two. A gamble examination is fundamental before STEPN coin or some other crypto speculation. What is GMT coin? GMT coin is a digital currency like Zilliqa and BitTorrent token that has a place with the gaming project STEPN. Players purchase GMT coins to consume in the STEPN application to get to cutting-edge highlights given by STEPN and take part in administration casting a ballot. The STEPN project falls under the Metaverse and WEB3 classification, which makes the STEPN project one of a kind. Does GMT coin have a future? Today GMT coin is additionally one of the most famous tokens on the lookout. Soon after a couple of long stretches of send-off, STEPN coin has acquired the colossal consideration of the crypto local area and is presently its main 100 token by the market cap. As we found in Google Trends and web-based entertainment stages, STEPN coin is moving in numerous nations. STEPN has without a doubt an extraordinary future that has many use cases. Is GMT coin genuine? GMT coin is genuine similarly as other cryptos. While numerous crypto examiners question the authenticity of new coins, yet STEPN is similarly an old undertaking. With genuine use cases, STEPN has the support of the WEB3 people group, which makes it trustable. As we found through CoinMarketCap, the STEPN coin has around a portion of 1